So today we will talk about anti-aging and regenerative medicine, that is reinvent the beauty with stem cells. StemGenn specializes in regenerative medicine or stem cells and cell therapy, which reverse the symptoms of aging as opposed to just delaying their onset or reducing their severity. Stem cells repair and restore the impaired cells naturally. Your organs are re-energized. You discover a new wave of stamina and mental ability. Hair restores, wrinkles and age spots diminishes, and the skin firms up. We further augment the stem cell treatments with a whole new range of beauty therapies, products, diet and lifestyle modifications, cell therapy, regenerative medicine, cosmetic treatments like hair, skin rejuvenations, facial rejuvenations, etc. So you will discover a healthy, youthful, blissful future with StemGenn anti-aging. So StemGenn anti-aging program is totally focused on reinvent the beauty with stem cells.